These two lists look same, but changing one changes the other. Why? Because we have a concept of deep copy and shallow copy in Python. Shallow copy means copies reference and the deep copy means copies everything. Shallow copy basically copies the linked inside and the deep copy is independent. Let me create a code to understand this. Import copy, and then I am going to create a list, and then inside this I want to create two more nested lists, 3 or 4. I have one list, the outer list, and inside this outer list we have two inner lists. The first one inner list is 1 or 2 item and the second one is 3 or 4, and all the outer lists with two inner lists are saved in variable a. So I am going to create another variable b and copy and I will pass a. This copy creates a shallow copy. Outer list is copied, but inner lists are still shared. Now I want to change the inner value of b 0 index to 100 from 1. So if I print a and then print b, save my code, clear my terminal, and if I run this, as you see I am getting 100 for A and 100 for B. So here question arises, I am changing this 0 index of inner list of A for B. So why we get for the A as well? Print A gives us the first one and the print B gives us this one, the second one. So the result is same for A and B. Why? We change for the B and we get the same for the A and B as well, because the inner lists are same in memory. In shallow copy, outer list is copied but inner lists are still shared. So let's understand the deep copy. For deep copy I am going to use this same list. Let me comment all this code. So we have a list A. Inside B I want to store copy dot deep copy and I will pass A, and if I print A then print B, and here I'm going to change the value again the same index to 100, clear my terminal, and if I run my code python deep underscore, this is the command to run our file, run our code of Python. As you see I am getting 1 and 100. For A we are getting 1 and for B we are getting 100. So deep copy copies everything. Here you see we change the value of the list with 0 index and the 0 item on 0 index to 100, but we get only change on the B, not for the A. So I will give the simple two people sharing same Google Docs, one change, both see changes. For the deep copy, download the file, change yours original. So the shallow shares inner object and the deep creates new one. Basically shallow copy copies outer structure but shares inner object, so changing one affects the other. For the deep copy creates fully independent copy, so change don't affect original. Use shallow for simple data, use deep copy for nested data.